Why is it so hard for Americans to save money in 2025? First, living costs are higher than ever. Prices for groceries, gas, and rent have all gone up. Inflation has made basic things more expensive, leaving people with less money to save. At the same time, wages haven't really increased. Many people are still earning the same amount they did years ago, while the cost of living keeps rising. This makes it harder to keep up and save. Another big problem is debt. Many Americans are carrying a lot of debt, like student loans, credit card bills, and mortgages. Debt payments take up a big chunk of their income, making it difficult to save. Housing is another issue. Home prices and rent are through the roof, especially in some areas. For many people, buying a home is just not realistic right now. Renting is often the only option, but with high rent prices, it's tough to save. Then there's the economic uncertainty. The stock market is unpredictable, and people worry about future recessions and other financial crises. This makes it harder to focus on saving for the future, and instead, people often prioritize spending in the present. Finally, there's lifestyle inflation. As people earn more, they tend to spend more. Upgrading to a nicer car or buying expensive gadgets feels tempting, but it can leave them living paycheck to paycheck. With all these challenges, it's no wonder saving money has become so difficult. Understanding these problems is the first step. The next step is taking control of your finances and making smarter choices for your future. Saving money in 2025 might feel impossible, but there are practical ways to take control and make progress. First, create a simple budget. Track your income and expenses. Know exactly where your money is going each month. Once you see the numbers, it's easier to cut out what you don't need. Second, automate your savings. Even if it's just $10 or $20 a week, set it up to move automatically into a savings account. You won't miss the money if you never see it in your checking account. Third, tackle high-interest debt. Focus on paying off credit cards or loans with the highest interest rates first. The less interest you pay, the more you'll have left to save. Next, reduce unnecessary spending. Try cooking more meals at home, cancel subscriptions you rarely use, or switch to more affordable options. Small changes can add up quickly. Also, consider finding new ways to earn. A side hustle, part-time job, or freelance work can give your savings a real boost. Even a few extra hours a week can make a difference. If rent is eating up your paycheck, think about alternatives. Living with roommates, moving to a more affordable area, or negotiating with your landlord could help you save hundreds a month. It's also important to build an emergency fund. This protects you from unexpected costs like car repairs or medical bills, so you don't have to rely on credit cards. Lastly, focus on long-term goals. Whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or retiring early, having a clear goal will motivate you to save more consistently. Saving in 2025 isn't easy, but it's possible. Start small, stay consistent, and take it one step at a time. Your future self will thank you.